Once again, welcome students, and this is our fourth online class of chapter 2, that is a fraction. In today's video, we will be discuss about the exercise 2b. So students, before the exercise 2b, first we will discuss about the last homework. And you know what was the last homework? So last homework was solve the exercise 2b, question number 1 and 2. So let's start now. This is question number 1, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 11. And we know very well how to multiply up the fraction, because in the last video I explained you how to solve the multiplication of fraction. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by 11. Look here, this number 11. This is without fraction, without denominator. This fraction is without denominator, and we know that we can write the 1 as a denominator. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by 11 upon 1. Then we know how to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So look here, is equal to 2 multiplied by 11 upon 3 multiplied by 1. Look in a numerator and denominator. Observe these numbers. Here is no any number divisible each other are by any same number. So simply we can multiply these numbers. 2 multiplied by 11, 22, and 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Look at this fraction. Which type fraction, student? Good. This is a improper fraction, because here the numerator is a greater than denominator. So we know that we always write fraction answer in the simplest form. So how we can write? By the improper or mixed fraction. So we know how we can convert improper fraction or mixed fraction, improper to mixed and mixed to improper. So this is a 22 upon 3. So 22 divided by 3, then we get 7. 7 3s are 21. And what is left there? What is remaining there? 1. So 1 write as a numerator and denominator will be same. So answer is a 7 and 1 upon 3. So this is the answer of the first question. Now look at second question. In the second question, what is given here? 3 and 7 upon 12 multiplied by 21. One fraction is here, mixed fraction, and we know we cannot solve the mixed fraction. So firstly we convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So how we can convert any mixed fraction into the improper fraction? By the multiplication of whole number to denominator and adding to the numerator. So 12 3s are 36. Good. 36 plus 7. 36 plus 7, 43. Good. Then 43 upon 12 multiplied by 21. Same as here. Here is a numbers without denominator. So we can write as a 1. So is equal to 43 multiplied by 21 upon 12 multiplied by 1. Observe the numbers numerator and denominators here. When we observe, then we get what? 21 and 12 is divisible by which number? Yes, 3. So 3 4s are and 3 7s are 21. So what is left here? 43 multiplied by 7 upon 4 multiplied by 1. Then multiply these number and you can find your answer. The next one is a just, this is a not solution, this is a just give the hint how to solve these questions. 5 upon 7 multiplied by 2 is 2 1 upon 10. So this is also mixed fraction. Firstly we convert in a improper fraction. So 5 upon 7 multiplied by 10 2s are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 10. So 5 multiplied by 21 upon 7 multiplied by 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 7 1s are 7 3s are 21. So what is left here? 1 multiplied by 3 upon 1 multiplied by 2. So 3 upon 2. Look here this fraction. This is improper because Numerator is greater than denominator. So 3 upon 2 means answer will be 1:1 upon 2. Understood? Okay. Now next question. What was the next question? Find the product of 3 upon 5 multiply by 15 upon 16 multiply by 4 upon 7. Easily we can find. So 3 upon 5 multiply by 15 upon 16 multiply by 4 upon 7. Then 3 multiply by 15 multiply by 4 upon 5 multiply by 16 multiply by 7. Match these numbers with these numbers. 4 and 16 divisible. 4 ones are 4, 4s are 5 and 15, 5 ones are 5, 3s are. So what is left here? Yes, left 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 1 upon 1 multiply by 4 multiply by 7. 3 3s are 9, 9 ones are 9, 4 7s are 28, 28 ones are 28, and this is the 9 upon 28. So 9 upon 28 is not divisible by any same number. So answer will be 9 upon 28. Next is a same. Next question is a, this is a 2 and 1 upon 7, 2 and 4 upon 9 and 7 upon 22. These are two mixed fractions. Firstly we can convert mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 7 to the 14 plus 1, 15 upon 7 multiply by 9 to the 18 plus 4, 22 upon 9 multiply by 7 upon 22. 7 upon 22. Then 15 multiply by 22 multiply by 7 upon 7 multiply by 9 multiply by 22. Look here, numerator and denominator's numbers are here. This is 22, this is also 22. So numbers are cancelled now. 7 and 7 also cancelled. So what is left here? 15 and 9. 15 and 9, which 15 and 9 in, yes, good, by 3. 3 5s and 3 3s are. So 21 and 21 cancel. 7 and 7 cancel. What is left here? 15 upon 9. This number is divisible by which number? This number divisible by 3. So 3 5s and 3 3s. 5 upon 3. This is again improper fraction. So we can write the improper fraction into the mixed fraction. 3 1s are 3. 2 is a remainder. So 2 write as a numerator, and then denominator will be same, 1 and 2 upon 3. This is the answer. Now exercise 2b, third question. Today we will solve the third question, and third question is find the value of. Find the value of. And you know what is the meaning of in the mathematics? Of means multiplication. Very good. So multiplication. So look here, first question what is given? 3 upon 4 of 32. Of means multiply. Good. Then 3 upon 4 multiply by 32. Same as we can write as a 1 denominator is equal to 3 multiplied by 32 upon 4. Okay. Then 32 and 4 is divisible. Yes. 32 and 4 is a divisible. By which number? By, yes, 4. Good. Then 4 1s are 4 8s are. So what's left here? 3 multiplied by 8 upon 1. We can write the 24. Answer will be 24. Now next question is 23 of rupees 60. Of means multiplication again. It's a very easy question. You can solve easily. 2 upon 3 multiply by 60. We can write the 2 multiply by 60 upon 3. Here we can write as a denominator 1. So multiply by 1. 60 and 3 is divisible. Yes. 23s are 60. Good. So 3 1s are and 23s are 60. Then what is left here? 2 multiplied by 20. Then answer will be 40. Answer will be 40. Now next question is 2 upon 9 of 1 upon 12. And the next is the question number 4. Simplify. And we know very well how to solve the simplify. By which rule? Good. BODMAS. By which rule? BODMAS. B for bracket. O for of. D for division. M for multiplication. A for addition. and S for subtraction. So we can solve the simplify by this rule. First we solve the bracket. In bracket, how many types bracket are there? 4 types bracket are there. First is a square. First is a square, then curly bracket, then small bracket, and this is the bar bracket. And then we solve the half of O for half means division. Sorry, half means multiplication. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So before the fourth question, first we solve the third question. So 2 upon 9 half 1 upon 12. 2 upon 9 half means multiplication, 1 upon 12. So 2 upon 9 multiplied by 1 upon 12. So 2 and 12 is divisible? Yes. 2 1s are 2, 6 are. So 1 upon 9 multiplied by 6, and that is a 1 upon 54. This is the answer. Now fourth question is a simplify, and we know very well how to solve the simplification. We solve the simplification by the BODMAS rule. B for bracket, O for half. Half means multiplication. D for division, M for multiplication again, addition, A for S for subtraction, and B for bracket. We have a 4 types bracket here. First, this is the square bracket, this is the curly bracket, this is the small bracket, and this is the bar bracket. First we solve the brackets, then we solve the half means multiplication, then D for division, M for multiplication again, then A for addition, and S for subtraction. So what the question is? 4 upon 15. So 4 upon 15 multiply by 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. So look here, in this question is a bracket here. First we solve the bracket. What is a bracket? In the brackets here are here what? Addition. So first solve the addition, and we know the addition. If the question given in a like fraction, so we can easily add. If the question is given in unlike form, so firstly we convert in a like fraction. So 4 upon 15, this is given in a unlike form. So 4 and 6. So find the LCM of the 4 and 6. You can find LCM by this method. 4 and then 6, 2, 2, 3. Then 2, 1, 3. Then 2, 3, 1, 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Then LCM will be 12, and that is the common denominator of the both fraction. So 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. This 12 divided by 4. 3s are 4 3s are. Then 1 multiplied by 3 plus 6 2s are. Then 5 multiplied by 2. Then again 4 upon 15 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 12 bracket. Then 4 upon 15 plus 3 plus 10 13, and bracket is now open. So 13 upon 12. Sorry, here is the multiplication. 4 upon 15 multiplied by 13 upon 12. Then we can easily multiply 4 multiplied by 13 upon 15 multiplied by 12. Is any number here divisible? Yes, 4 and 12. So we can easily divide. 4 1s are 4 3s are. So what left here? 1 multiplied by 13 upon 15 multiplied by 3, that is a 13 upon 45. 45 means 15 3s are 45. So okay students, this was all about the today, and today's homework, your do the exercise 2B question number 3 and 4 all the remaining questions. Thank you and take care.